Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AP5. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to message someone on Bigo app. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Bigo Live. Make sure you have already downloaded Bigo Live on your device. Open Bigo Live app. It will open up this interface. So here, tap on chat's icon located on bottom. Tap on it, and here it will show you this kind of interface. Tap on messages. Here you can either swipe left or swipe right. Now it will show you a list of your friends to whom you have chat. So tap on it. Let me chat with someone else. Let me go to my home screen. Now let me go to the profile of this person. So here, first of all, let me tap on chat icon located here. Next, message hello and tap on send arrow. So in this way you can send. Now let me go back and tap on chat button. So here you will see a person to whom I just text. So in this way you can send messages on Bigo Live. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.